I remember buying my first piece of high-end jewellery. The feeling, the kind of rush I got, trying it on. As a designer, I want to get behind that rush. I want to make that rush more accessible.
We hope to achieve a global community of jewelry lovers and jewelry brands that embody authenticity, sustainability and luxury. Building this community is really worth it.
It is just a feeling of immense pride and joy doing what we do and seeing us grow, and I really can't wait to see where this company goes.